deserve shall reap what they sow. For the love of God we know, and the love must grow and grow. I say, cha 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 wa wa wa, cha 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 wa, cha 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 wa wa wa, cha 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 wa, cha 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 wa wa wa, cha 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 wa, cha 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 wa wa wa, cha 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 wa, cha wa wa wa. Every man must leave his life. Don't be what he done, or you get this day someday. That's the word of the Lord. See if you be fine. There's a lot divine. Or we get this day, and we know love can stay. There's so much pain everywhere you go. There's a cry and there's a tear, and it's shading a Babylon.